Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Bulgarian ebook before it's gone.
Oh, hi there! This is Daria, and welcome to the 2000 Core Bulgarian Words and Phrases video series. Here, each lesson will help you learn new words, practice them, and at the end review what you have just learned in this lesson. Are you ready to start? Here we go. First word is счетоводство, accounting, счетоводство, счетоводство, accounting, счетоводни документи, accounting documents, счетоводни документи, премия, a bonus, премия, премия, bonus, коледна премия, Christmas bonus, коледна премия, лек, light, лек, лек, light, леко перо, light feather, леко перо, тромбон, trombone, тромбон, тромбон, trombone, свиря на тромбон, play the trombone, свиря на тромбон, заминаване, departure, заминаване, заминаване, departure, дата на заминаване, departure date, дата на заминаване, пристигане, arrival, пристигане, пристигане, arrival, вход за пристигане, arrival gate, вход за пристигане, цигулка, violin, цигулка, цигулка, violin, свиря на цигулка, play the violin, свиря на цигулка, науки за земята, earth science, науки за земята, науки за земята, earth science, изследване на науките за земята, earth science research, изследване на науките за земята, наука, science, наука, наука, science, изучаване на наука, study of science, изучаване на наука, рецепта, prescription, рецепта, рецепта, prescription, изпълнявам рецепта, fill a prescription, изпълнявам рецепта. Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. First, you will hear a word or a phrase in English. Respond in Bulgarian and then repeat after me, trying to focus on pronunciation. Are you ready? Do you remember how to say accounting? Счетоводство. Счетоводство. And how about bonus? Премия. Премия. Do you remember how to say light? Лек. Лек. Another one. Let's try trombone. 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 What about departure? Заминаване. Заминаване. How about arrival? Пристигане. Пристигане. Now, let's see if you remember how to say violin. Цигулка. Цигулка. And do you remember how to say earth science? Науки за земята. Науки за земята. Another one. How about just science? Наука. Наука. And finally, do you remember how to say prescription? Рецепта. Рецепта. Well done, everybody. Keep going. I'll see you in the next video. Довиждане.